Good day, sir. I am Midshipman Caudillo Christian Kyle B., student from Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Baras Kanakman, taking the Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, 3B11. Why did I choose this maritime course? I choose this maritime course because of my passion for the sea, interest in global trade, and the thrill of working on the ships. I can also achieve one of my dreams, and that is to travel and visit different countries around the world for free. How can I show my respect to others in this class? I can show my respect to others in my class by number 1, listen actively. Pay attention when your instructor is speaking and avoid interrupting. Number 2, be punctual. Arrive on time and greet your instructor with a Snabian salute and be prepared, showing you value everyone's time. Number 3. Follow classroom rules. Following the guidelines ensures a respectful and orderly environment. In 5 years, I will be a successful official seafarer with business owned by me and my family. And also, after a few more years, I want to become a father with 3 or more kids with one loving and caring wife. Thank you.